Let's see how to make a border around a single line in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now let's say that we want to emphasize this first line right here by placing a border around it. So what we can do is highlight our text. Now click on the Design tab and click on Page Borders. And right here, click on Borders, which is the first column. Now, you can select to either apply it to text or the paragraph. And since we've selected our text, let's simply apply it to text. Let's select a box border. And let's go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, that selected text now has a border around it. And that is how you can make a border around a single line in Microsoft Word. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.